Hi guys, and today in this short tutorial, I'll show you how to filter items inside a purchase order. First, go to the price book and open the purchase order, or access it using the smart search. Select the purchase order you want to work on and click the edit icon. Once you're inside the purchase order edit screen, click the filter icon on the top right side of the screen. A filter window will appear with different options. From here, you can filter the items list by specific conditions such as new items, cost up items, cost down items, EBT, taxable, missing entries, missing retail, and more. For example, if you want to see newly added items in the purchase order, select new items and the system will then show only the items that match that filter. This makes it easier to review specific items instead of going through the full purchase order list manually. Once you're done reviewing, you can clear or change the filter as needed. Also, on the main purchase order page, you can use the date filter at the top right to view purchase orders for that selected date range. Once you select the date period and save it, the system will display only the purchase orders created during that selected time frame. And that's how you filter items inside a purchase order and filter purchase orders by date.